everyone and welcome back to my class. You know that I am Halim Nizam, teacher and junior lecturer of Elizabeth High School and Junior College. So in today's class we are dealing with the chapter 6th from Civics 2nd year, and chapter name is Special Statutory Commissions for Protection of Citizens' Rights. So in this chapter here the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of the statutory commissions for the protection of rights and privileges of a certain communities in India, so that these commissions help the poor and the disadvantaged sections of the society, and they helped in bringing an integrated development also. So under a democratic system it needs to all the sections like women, minorities, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, backward classes and other are secured through these commissions. Exactly. That's why here during in 1990s the focus was drawn on the articulations of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and minorities and women's interest. So here added to this concept of the social justice was given a special stress. Here in this keeping with this spread of government of India made the attempts to establish in a several commissions for the protection and promotion of the specific interest of certain groups and communities also. So these sessions in terms of compositions, functions and role shall be discussed in this topic in today's class. Okay. So first is that the National Commission for Human Rights. So in National Commission for Human Rights, first see the symbol of National Human Rights Commission. Okay, after observing this here the National Human Rights Commission is a statutory and the autonomous body but not a constitutional body. So it was established on 12th October in 1993 under the Protection of Human Rights Act. In 1993 by the Congress government headed by the Prime Minister of India, that is Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao. And here in 1993 Act was amendment in 2006 and the headquarters of the National Human Rights Commission is at New Delhi. Here the human rights are those rights to which all the humans are entitled to the merely by virtue of being humans. Exactly. So they are essential for the human survival and human development also. So here the National Human Rights Commission is responsible for the protection and the promotion of human rights. So it is the watchdog of the human rights in the country. Exactly. So here according to the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, here the human rights means the rights relating to life, liberty, equality and dignity of the individual guaranteed by the Constitution and embodied in the international conventions and enforced by the courts in India. So here some are the compositions are there. Here the commission consists of a chairman and 4 other members, and they are the chairman should be retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court and 1 member should be serving or retired the Judge of the Supreme Court. Then the 1 member should be serving or retired the Chief Justice of High Court and other 2 persons who have knowledge in human rights. So all these are the compositions. Whereas come to appointment, here the chairman and the members of the commission are appointed by the President of India by one under his hand and seal. Exactly. So here the selection of chairman and the members is made by the 6 members high power committee headed by the Prime Minister, and they are the Prime Minister, that is chairman, and the Union Home Minister and the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman and the opposition leader in Lok Sabha and the opposition leader in Rajya Sabha. After the appointment, here the tenure is there. In tenure, the term of the officer for chairman and other members of the commission is 5 years or until they attain the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. So here after they tenure, the chairman and the members are not eligible for their employment under the government of India or any state government. Get it? So after tenure, then the limitations are there. Here in limitations, the commission is not empowered to look into the events which had happened more than 1 year before the complaint was logged. So here the commission has limited power with respect to the violation of human rights by the members of armed forces. So here the functions of the commission are mainly recommendatory in nature, and it has no power to punish the violators of the human rights. Exactly. And it has no power to punish the violators of human rights. And the chairpersons of the National Commission for Human Rights are Justice Raghunath Mishra from 1993 to 96, Justice M.N. Venkatacharya from 1996 to 1999, Justice J.S. Verma from 1999 to 2002, Justice A.S. Anand from 2002 to 2007, Justice Rajendra Babu from 2007 to 2010, Justice K.G. Balakrishnan from 2010 to 2015. After the National Commission for Human Rights, now we will discuss about the National Commission for Scheduled Caste. The National Commission for Scheduled Caste is a constitutional and independent body. It was bifurcated from National SCs and ST Commissions on 19th February in 2004 under the Article 338 of the Indian Constitution. Exactly. So here the commission has the powers of a civil court while investigating any matter or inquiring into any complaint. Okay. So here the headquarters of Scheduled Caste Commission is located at New Delhi. Exactly. So after this, now we will discuss about the evaluation. Here the Article 338 of the Indian Constitution provided for the appointment of a special officer for the scheduled caste, that is SCS, and the scheduled tribes, that is STS, to investigate all the matters relating to the constitutional safeguards for the SCs and STs and to submit the report to the president. So here in 1978, here the Janata government headed by the Prime Minister Monarji Desai is appointed a multi-member commission for the SCs and STs under the chairmanship of Bola Paswan Shastri. In 1987, here the government renamed it as the National Commission for SCs and STs. Get it? So after this elevation, now we will see about the composition. Here in composition, the National SCs Commission shall consist of a chairman, vice chairman and 3 other members, in which 1 woman member is very necessary. So here the chairman and the vice chairman and other members are appointed by the President of India. Exactly. And the conditions of service and tenure of office are determined by the President only. So here at present the tenure of the commission is 3 years, and so here the present chairman of SCs Commission is P.L. Punya. And the chairpersons of National Commission for the Scheduled Caste are Suraj Ban from 2004 to 2007, Bhuta Singh from 2007 to 2010, P.L. Punya from 2010 to till date. So after the National Commission for Scheduled Caste, now we will discuss about the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. The National Commission for Scheduled Tribes is a constitutional and independent body, and that has established in 2004 through the 89th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2003. Here the National Commission for the Scheduled Tribes has been set up under the Article 338 of Indian Constitution on purification of National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes to oversee the implementation of the various safeguards provided to the scheduled tribes under the Constitution. So here the headquarters of the ST Commission is located at New Delhi, and here the verification of national SCs and STs Commission were recommended by the Sri Dilip Singh Bhuria Committee. So here the committee quoted the geographically and the culturally the STs are different from the SCs. So, and their problems are also different from those of SCs. So, get it. After this, now we will see about the composition of the National Commission for the Scheduled Tribes. Here, the National SCs Commission consists of a chairman, vice chairman, and 3 other members, in which 1 woman member is necessary. So, here the chairman and the vice chairman and the other 2 are appointed by the President of India, exactly on the condition of the services, and the tenure of the office are determined by the President only. And at present, the tenure of the Commission is 3 years, and the present chairman of SCs Commission is Rameshwar Orion. And the chairpersons of National Commission for the Scheduled Tribes are Kumar Singh from 2004 to 2007, then Urmila Singh from 2007 to 2010, then Rameshwar Orion from 2002. Now, so here after this, now we will discuss about the National Commission for the Backward Classes. Now here in the National Commission for the Backward Classes is a statutory body and not a constitutional body. So it was established in 1993 under the provision of National Commission for Backward Classes Act in 1993. So here the commission was the outcome of the direction of the Supreme Court in Indra Swani case in 1990. And popularly known as a Mandal case. And here the constitution does not define as to who are the persons who belong to the backward classes. Here the Backward Classes Act 1993 defines the term backward classes as such backward classes of citizens over than the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes as may be specified by the central government in the list. So here the term backward classes was used for first time at Mysore princely state in 1921. So this is about the backward classes. Now we will see the elevation of the commission here. So here the 2 backward classes commission, and they are the Kaka Saheb Kalekar Commission and Mandal Commission, were set up under the Article 340 after the constitution was adopted. Exactly. So after this, here the Kaka Saheb Kalekar Commission was set up in 1953 and it submitted its report in 1955 that there are 2399 backward classes in India whose economic and social position is very low. So that's why it suggested to the government the priority should be given for the development of such communities. Exactly. So then the second commission was set up under the chairmanship of B.P. Mandal by the Janata government in 1978. So this commission is identified the 3,743 backward classes. In P.V. Singh government provided the 27% reservations to the other backward classes, that is OBCS, in 1990 on the basis of Mandal Commission report. So here the matter was challenged in the court as the unconstitutional, but here the Supreme Court rejected the challenge in the Mandal case in 1992 and directed the central government to constitute a permanent statutory body to examine the complaints of under inconclusion and non-inconclusion of any classes in the list of backward classes. So here under the Supreme Court direction, the National BC Commission was set up in 1993 as a statutory body. Get it? Here after the National Commission for the Backward Classes, now we will discuss about the National Commission for Women. Here the National Commission for Women is a statutory body but not a constitutional body. So it was set up on 31st January 1992 under the National Commission for Women Act 1990. So here the main objectives of the commission are to revive the constitutional and legal safeguards for women and to recommend the remedial legislative measures and to advise the government on all policies matters affecting the women. Exactly. And the tenure of the chairperson and the members of the commission is 3 years and they can resign their office at any time by addressing their resignation to the union government. Here the union government can remove the chairperson and the members if they refuse to act or become the incapable in discharging their specified duties. After this, now the offences and the punishments are there here. Here the new act recognized the certain acts as offences which were dealt under the related laws, and the offences like acid attack and attempt to acid attack, sexual harassment, rape, gang rape, etc. have been incorporated in the IPS, that is Indian Penal Code, and CRPC, that is Criminal Procedure Code, and Indian Evidence Acts. So in today's class we will stop here and continue this topic in our next class.